In this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Bitvavo. So first of all, I want to say, if you want to get started with Bitvavo with the best fees available, I recommend you to check out the link in the description down below to get started. So this works the same on mobile as well as on desktop. So what you need to do is you need to go to your desktop, to your name, and then you need to go to security. Tap on security, and here you can see the security center. So you need to go to authentication, and here you see two-factor authentication. So what you need to do is you need to tap on enable 2FA. So this is also necessary if you want to do certain withdrawals to your bank. So I do recommend you to turn this on. You just need to tap on this button right there, and then you are prompted to select a specific two-factor authentication app and save some recovery codes. That is all you need to do. Then you can just use an app called like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator or even Apple Passwords Authenticator or just other apps you would like to use. And then you just need to fill in the necessary codes that you get from Bitvavo, and then you have enabled two-factor authentication. So that is basically, it's very easy. You can also disable it by tapping right there and then filling in your codes again. But that is it. It's very easy, like I said, and done within a few minutes basically. So if you want to get started with Bitvavo, just check out the link in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.